Good morning students, 9th standard in mental maths, and today we will be doing worksheet 23. Now look at the sums. How many 5s are there? 1, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So how many 5s are there? There are 7 5s. So write down 7, and how many, and which number is 7 times 5? 7 into 5. Next, multiplication is repeated of addition. See, you can look at multiplication with the repeated addition. Next, dash into 78. Any number, if you multiply any number by 0, the answer will always be 0. So here it will be 0 into 78 is equal to 0. Next, 351 into dash is equal to 351. So 351 into dash. So what number will multiply by 351 to get the same number itself? We have to multiply by 1. 351 into 1 will be 351. Next, 16 into 3 here is 16 into 3 is how much? 6 3s are 18, 348. So 16 into 3, 48. So what will you multiply by 16 to get the same answer 48? You have to multiply by 3. So 16 into 3 it will be 48, and 3 into 16 will also be 48. 196 into 10. So any number, if you multiply by 10, write down the number. You have to add a 0 to at the end of the number. Any number, if you multiply by 10, you have to write down 0 at the end of the number. So 196, write down 196 and add a 0. That is 196 into 10 will be 1960. Next, 68 into dash is equal to 8,800. So what will you multiply by 68 to get 60,000? So look at the previous sums. We have multiplied by 10. We have got 1960. In here, so what will you multiply to get 6,800? We have to multiply by, as there are 2 zeros, so we have to multiply by 100. If we multiply any number by 100, first we have to write down the number, then we have to add 2 zeros at the end. Next, 250 into dash is equal to 2,500. Here also 250, you have to write down 250 and see next one, that is 10. So what will you multiply by 250 to get 2,500? You have to multiply by 10. See, there are 2 zeros, so don't in a hurry write down 250 into 100. No, first you have to look at this number. 250 is already there, so write down 250, then there is 1 0 at the end. So you have to multiply by 10 to get 2,500. Dash into 100 is equal to 3,500. So what number will you multiply by 3,500? So what number will I multiply to get this 3,500? Be 35. 35 into 100 will be 3,500. Next, 63 into 1000 will be how much? 63,000. 63 followed by 3 zeros. Next, 2 dozen bananas is equal to how many dozen? In 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces. In 1 dozen, how many pieces are there? There are 12 pieces. So in 2 dozen it will be 12 into 4, 12 into 2, sorry, 2 dozen, no? So 12 into 2 will be 24. So 2 dozen is equal to 24 bananas. Next, 5 chairs. If one chair has 4 legs, so 5 chairs will have 5 chairs. 4 into 5 will be how much? 20. So 5 chairs will have 20 legs. Next, number of pencils in 3 scores. So in 1 score, how many are there? 20. So in 3 scores will be 20 into 3 will be 20 into 3 will is how much? 20 into 3 is 60. So number of pencils in 3 scores is 60. Number of days in 3 weeks. In 1 week, how many days are there? There are 7 days. So in 3 weeks will be 7 into 3 will be 21 days. So number of days in 3 weeks is 21. Now look here. 12 pairs will make how many dozens? 12 pairs. 12 pairs is equal to how many dozens? 1 dozen. 12 pairs is equal to how many dozens? So 12 pairs, that means 24 pieces. 12 pairs means that is in one pair how many pieces are there? There are 2 pieces. So in 12 pairs will be 24. 12 into 2 will be 24 pieces. So to how 24 pieces? Now in 24 pieces how many dozens will it make? If you divide by, so 12, 2 dozens. 24 pieces will make 2 dozens. Because in 1 dozen there are 12 pieces. So 24 pieces will make 2 dozens. 1 pair is equal to 2 pieces. 12 pair is equal to 24 pieces. So and in 1 dozen how many pieces are there? There are 12 pieces. So if you divide 24 by 12, we will get 2 dozens. Now see, varied greater, smaller or equal to 7 into 9 will be how much? 63. Dash 9 into 3 will be 27. So which is greater? 63 is greater. So put a arrow sign like this. 8 into 5 will be 40. 10 into 4 will be 40. So both the sides are 40. So that it will be in equal sign. Next 2 into 100 will be 200. Dash 16 into 10 will be 160. 16 into 10 will be 160. So which is greater? 200 is greater. So put an arrow sign like this. 52 into 10 will be 52 and add a 0, 520. And next is 10 into 52. Same 52 is the answer. 520. So which one is greater? Both the 520 and 5 both so equal, given equal sign. 75 into 100 will be how much? 7,500. 7 into 100 will be how much? 7,500. Next is 95 into 10 will be how much? 950. So put 95 and add a 0 at the end. So which one is greater? 9,000. Which one is greater? Now 7,500 is greater. Put a sign, arrow sign like this. Next, we have finished worksheet 23. Now we will be doing worksheet 24. Now multiply. Now look at the sums. 3 keep 380, multiply 383 into 3 by 3. So keep the tables of 3 in your mind. So 3 3s is how much? 9. 3 8s is 24. So put 4 and carry 2. Now see, 3 3s is how much? 9. 9 plus 2 will be 11. So the answer is 1149. Next, 608, multiply 684 by 5. So keep the tables of 5 in your mind. Next, 5 4s is how much? 20. Put 0. If you put 0 once, that this is more convenient. Ones, tens, hundreds. 5 4s are 20. So keep 2 at the tens place and 0 at the under the 0 column. Ones column, sorry. 0 under the ones column. Now 5 8s is how much? 5 8s is 40. So 40 plus 2 will be how much? 40 tens plus 2 tens will be how much? 42 tens. So keep 4 under the 4 hundreds and 2 at the tens column. Now 6 5 6 is how much? 30. 30 plus 4 will be 34. 30 plus 4 will be 34. So the answer is 3420. Now look at the next one. Multiply 389 into 6. Keep tables of 6 in your mind. 6 multiply 389 into 6. So keep the tables of 6 in your mind. 6 9s is how much? 54. Write 4. Carry 5 at the 8 tens column. Now 6 8s is how much? 6 8s is 48. 48 plus 5 48. 49 50 51 52 53. 53. Put 5 at the hundreds place and hundreds and 3 at the tens column. Now 6 3s is 18, 18 plus 5, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23. Now the answer is 2334. Next, multiply 754 into 7. So 7 fours is how much? 7 fours is 28. Put 8 in the ones column, 2 at the tens. 7 fives is 35. 35 plus 2 will be 35 tens plus 2 tens will be 37 tens. So write 7 at the tens column and 3 at the hundreds. Take over 3 at the hundreds over. Take 3 over hundreds, please. The 7 sevens is how much? 14. 49 plus 3, 49, 50, 15, 52, 52. So the answer is 5278. Multiply 863 into 8. 8 3s is how much? 24. Put 4 at the ones column and carry 2 at the tens. 8 6 is 48. 48 plus 2 will be how much? 48. 49, 50. Put 0 at the tens column and 5 at the 6 is 48. 48 plus 2, 50, 50. Write down 50. Then 8 8s are 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 5, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 5, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 69. So write down 69. So the answer is 6904. Next, 936 into 4. Multiply 936 by 4. So keep 4 tables in your mind. 4 6 are 24. Carry 2. 3 4 are 12. 12 plus 2 will be 14. Write down 4 at the tens column and carry over 1 at the hundreds. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 1 will be 37. Next, multiply 792 into 9. So 9 2s is how much? 9 2s are 18. 8 and 8 and write 8 under the ones column and carry 1 over the tens. So 9 9s is 81. 81 plus 2 will be 82. Write 2 under the tens column and carry 8. Next, 9 7s is how much? 63. 63 into 8 will be 63. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. So write down 71. So the answer is 7128. Next, so for multiply 578 into 6. Keep 6 tables in your mind. 6 sides is 48. Write down 8. 4 over the tens. 7 6 is 42. 42 plus 4, 42, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Write 6. Carry 4 over the hundreds. Next, 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4 will be how much? 34. So the answer is 3468. Next, 68 into 8. 8 8s is 64. 64. 8 6 is 48. 48 plus 6, 48. 49, 50, 15, 52, 53, 54. So the answer is 544 is the answer. Now look at the next one. Fill in the empty boxes recalling the table of 8. So I am writing down like the 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80, 8 11s are 88. So what all sums I have done, do in your mental maths book and look at the worksheet 25. Complete the grid by multiplying. So here is one tip, 1 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are Like this you have to fill it up. 1 tables, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 3, 1 twos are 3, like this. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are, then 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Next 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 2. Like this you have to fill it up, the whole kit from 1 to 10. We have finished. Next day we'll be continuing with the other worksheet. Thank you.